Hello and welcome to the first episode of Vocal Wednesday. For today's episode, we are going to be, vocal. Talking about the latest issue trending on Instagram, feminism. So, what do we understand by feminism?
Feminism, according to Google or according to the definition of feminism, it means advocacy of female rights.
So, correct me if I'm wrong. Feminism means, upliftment of women. पर
Mm-hmm.
क्या feminism also means like suppress men?
No.
Of course not. Of course not. I think it means uplifting women just because women have been oppressed throughout the generations, throughout decades to come. It nowhere concerns men or what they are doing. Not saying that men should not be uplifted or anything, but right now the focus of feminism is only on uplifting women, only because we think that women have been oppressed through centuries.
I think it's about
actually,
uplifting women to a point where they become equal to men. It's not about suppressing men, it's about uplifting women. तो एक की टांग खींचने की जरूरत नहीं है दूसरे को ऊपर लाने के लिए.
Exactly.
हाँ
I think
एक्चुअली उसने सही
the
बोला लेकिन आई थिंक लाइक ये ब्लॉग से पहले क्योंकि अपन ने डिसाइड किया था फेमिनिज्म पे बात करेंगे तो मेरे कुछ फीमेल फ्रेंड्स से मैं बात कर रहा था और पता नहीं मतलब हर एक जन का या हर एक पर्सन का कुछ तो अलग ही ओपिनियन था फेमिनिज्म पे. लाइक मैंने कुछ एग्जाम्पल सेट किए थे उनके लिए. मैंने पूछा कि अगर ये सिचुएशन है तो व्हाट विल यू डू. तो सब लोग ने अपने अपने फायदे के हिसाब से बताया कि फेमिनिज्म उनके लिए क्या है. तो आई थिंक दिस इज ए प्रिटी सब्जेक्टिव टॉपिक overall, but yeah, whatever works for anyone.
It is a very interpretive topic. Everything and every term and definition that comes under this topic can be interpreted in various ways. Now, interpretation of something in a positive way or in a negative way is just your personality. It is not people. People don't understand views, opinions, truth, and fact. 4 different pillars.
Any
look,
opinion coming out of Instagram, I'm not going to believe it. There is my
But look,
main
here's the
point.
thing. Every rule comes with an exception. So, agar feminism hai and women are fighting for women rights and equality and everything, obviously there are going to be people who will take advantage of that situation. That is what we call pseudo-feminism or misandry, telling that all men are trash and everything. There is an exception to every rule. But that does
But-
not mean that
When you talk about this, that people are saying that it's about interpretation. People need to understand that the ideology of feminism is not wrong. Ideologies of feminism are the same that they were when it was discovered, but the interpretations by people has been wrong. So you need to blame those interpretations and the people who are considering it in a wrong way rather than blaming the ideology. पूरी ideology को खराब नहीं बोल सकते आप.
Actually,
of course,
here
but
I
here's
agree
the
with
thing,
Chavda.
here's the thing.
But
If सोशल मीडिया पे जिस तरह से व्यूज टेलीकास्ट होते हैं, जिस तरह से ओपिनियंस ब्रॉडकास्ट किए जाते हैं, उस तरह से हर इंसान का अपना कोई व्यू, एजेंडा, ओपिनियन, प्रोपेगेंडा होगा. दिस इज समथिंग दैट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड मूव अलोंग विद इट बिकॉज सोशल मीडिया इज अ काइंड ऑफ प्लेटफॉर्म दैट अलाउज यू टू जनरेट ओपिनियंस.
there's a reason why feminism has been like wronged or pseudo feminism जैसा term आया है because I think कि feminism जो idea है it hasn't reached to the people who actually need it. ये वही
Yeah.
लोग यूज कर रहे हैं जो ऑलरेडी जिनको जरूरत नहीं है. वो लोग एक्चुअली इक्वल हैं. they are doing well in their fields and I think here is कि जब women started to make a mark in the society that's when men started to feel insecure. This is what I
Yeah.
think. और उसके बाद से this topic became pretty interpretative.
One thing I would like to say that people need to understand that equality is in terms of opportunities. It's not in terms of physical violence. It's not in terms of physical force.
It's in
So, like,
terms of cerebral opportunity. Feminism for women means the ability to make your own choices without getting judged for them.
judge for it. Yeah.
I would like to bring in the recent hot topic on Instagram, the second part of Divyangana's video, where she goes on to explain, or I would like to call it justify, why her thoughts stand. Like she said in different ways, obviously not in these words, but there were things like कि Me Too misuse हुआ. there are other certain things which have been misused. Similarly, feminism too has been misused at instances. But
Yeah.
that does not make feminism as a school of thought wrong.
Yeah.
Or it does not discredit it for whatever work it has put
Here's-
forward or the
Exactly.
way that it has given.
Look, here's the thing. Whenever we are discussing feminism or Me Too, of course, like I said, there can be exception to any rule. So, कुछ cases ऐसे होंगे जहाँ पर Me Too or feminism in general has been misused or the term has been misused. But that does not mean that the entire debate regarding feminism or the entire movement regarding feminism is completely wrong. There is a reason why this movement began.
The thing with this is like someone if someone says that generalize women or women also generalize all men, like the term that is used, all men are dogs. But again the thing is that when someone says that अगर एक चलती ट्रेन में किसी ने औरत को धक्का मारा आदमी ने, तो वो जो है एक बड़ा इशू बन जाएगा, पर अगर वो सेम किसी आदमी के साथ होता है तो वो नहीं बनेगा. बट आई बिलीव दैट इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ द मेन एज वेल कि उन्होंने जो पहले किया है विद वुमेन, वो चीजें इतने साल तक हुई हैं कि औरतें मजबूर हो गई हैं आदमियों को शक की नजर से देखने पे.
Another point is तुम एक जगह पे कहते हो that all men are trash and you are against that point, and then दूसरी जगह पे कहते हो कि सारे feminist pseudo feminist है और misandrist है. So don't you think you are rowing in the same boat?
So I know someone who works in a bank. So I know what happened there. So whenever they recruit someone, so when they recruit a woman who is 20 plus, so there is always this thing, उसको रिक्रूट मत करो, इससे तो 20 साल के लड़के को रिक्रूट करो, बिकॉज लड़की की तो 3-4 साल में शादी हो जाएगी, फिर वो जॉब पे ध्यान ही नहीं देगी. So this I have heard this. So that is like a big problem for people. They also say this that 3-4 साल में शादी हो जाएगी, किस काम के, उस एम्प्लॉय पे आप इतना खर्चा मत करो, तो rather employ a man. So I think that is the basic problem, and the girl Divyana Trivedi, what she said, I completely disagree because I have seen this. She is sitting at a very privileged point and then she is talking about all these things.
maybe it is a place thing कि it shows where you come from, right? कि मतलब अगर ऐसे डिस्कस कर रहे हैं तो I do not want to say this, but maybe this is a small town mentality, I guess.
It is. I think it is.
I think
It is जो स्टार्टिंग में ध्रुव ने पॉइंट बोला था ना कि हम ये बात एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं कर पाते कि अगर हम फर्स्ट आ रहे हैं हमारे साथ भी कोई फर्स्ट आ सकता है. इट इज अबाउट को एग्जिस्टेंस.
Exactly.
तुम हमेशा किसी को नीचे खींच के फर्स्ट नहीं आ सकते. People should just start accepting that. And
But I think it's a global issue. Feminism is a global issue. I don't think it's a West or East thing. I think it's
but
prevalent.
it is a mindset issue. You have to realize that it is a mindset issue.
so what is
Yeah.
your take? What is your understanding of feminism to wrap this up?
So my understanding of feminism is that believe in it, but believe in it for the values of equality. Use it as your use it to empower yourself, use it to educate yourself, and then you will yourself climb the ladder on your basis. I think that's all.
I think for me, feminism is about choices and not judging a person based on their choices. So if a girl wants to educate herself, she can educate herself. You can't judge that. If you want to start the whole hashtag free the nipple movement and not wear bras or whatever, you can do that. There should be no judgment regarding your choices. To me, that is feminism.
Okay, so for me, feminism should be something like which tells a woman that society ने जो norm set किए, वो norm से बहुत ज़्यादा तुम कुछ तो हो. This.
Very nice.
Nice.
That was really beautiful.
I think norms don't define you. That's the whole point. There are no norms. You set the norms.
I think
And those who are using feminism in a wrong way, please don't do that because you
Yeah.
don't know what you're doing to other women.
And on that note, we will end this very positive video. Thank you.
Yay.
This was the first episode of Vocal Wednesday. Hope you had fun. Hope to see you soon.